welcome to our channel. In this guide, we will cover how you can change taskbar alignment in Windows 11. It is easy, so let's go. First, set your mouse cursor on top the taskbar. It is on the bottom of your computer screen. Then click right button on your mouse. Select Taskbar Settings from the appearing menu. Find Taskbar Behaviors and click on it to expand the section. Under Taskbar Alignment, you find a drop-down menu with the word Center as selected item. Press left mouse button to bring up the menu. Select left from the menu. Great! Your taskbar has moved to the left side of the screen. If you are unhappy with the results, you may recenter the taskbar by following these simple steps. Press right mouse button on top of the taskbar to bring up menu. Select Taskbar Settings and expand Taskbar Behaviors. Finally, select Center from the drop-down menu. Thank you for joining us today. If you find our videos useful, please like the video and subscribe to find out other cool things you could do with your computer.